Today, we're making a powerful natural brew that will boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and yes, even impress your wife. Stay tuned because I'm about to share the secret recipe that really works. First up, ginger. This root isn't just spicy, it's a natural aphrodisiac and a powerhouse for circulation and stamina. Start by peeling the ginger. This helps release all those healing oils. Then chop it finely, the thinner the better to bring out its aroma and power. Now drop that chopped ginger into a bowl. This is the heart of our energizing brew. Next ingredient, fresh lemon. But here's a tip. Before slicing it, grate the peel. This zest is packed with essential oils that fire up your metabolism and work perfectly with ginger. Gives this brew a zing that wakes you up from the inside out. Now for some natural sweetness, honey. Not only does it make the drink smooth and delicious, but honey is also a natural immune booster. Add 2 tablespoons of honey to the bowl with the ginger and lemon zest. Mix everything well. Now slice that same lemon in half and squeeze out the juice, about 25 milliliters. This adds a sharp kick and rounds out the flavor. Pour it right into the bowl and give it another good mix. Cover the bowl and let it sit while we prepare the next part. In a pot, bring 350 milliliters of water to a boil. And here's another secret weapon, 100 grams of raisins. Raisins are loaded with iron, potassium, and calcium, all crucial for sustained energy and vitality. Add them to the water and stir as it heats up. Once the water boils, strain it into a clean container. This will be the warm base of our drink. Now combine the hot raisin-infused water with the ginger, lemon, and honey mixture. Stir well and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to blend all the flavors and nutrients. And there it is, your energy-boosting brew. Fresh, natural, powerful. Drink it in the morning or before a big evening. It'll give you the vitality you need, and yes, your wife just might thank you later.